Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to assign to-dos in Basecamp. All right. As you can see here under my schedule and my assignments, I have these to-dos like upload to YouTube and make thumbnails, or in my schedule right here on the left, I have that as well. Now, what we'll do is just go ahead and click on the project to open it up. To assign to-dos, of course, we would need to click on the to-dos section. Click on it. Now, if you already have a to-do list, you can go ahead and click on a task. For example, create tutorial about Basecamp in here. I'm going to click on it, and here you have the assign to section. So basically just click on it. If you want to remove one, click on X. If you want to add one, just type down the name. And then once this blue button shows up, you can now go ahead and click on it. And then when done, notify yourself. Okay. Once done, just hit on save and do the same with the other tasks. All right. And that is it. Now, another option, if you have multiple to-dos or multiple tasks, if you want to save time, okay, and assign all of the tasks to one person, you can go ahead and click on this three horizontal lines besides a task. Okay. Make sure to start from the top or from the very bottom. Click on one, then hold Shift on your keyboard and select the very last task. There you go. You have it all selected, and you can go ahead and click on assign all to-dos to, just type down the name and just click on assign these to-dos. All right. Going back, if you just want to select, like you want to jump around to-dos in here, click on one, hold Control. Maybe I'd like to add 1 and 4 and 6. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on assign 4 to-dos right here to a person.